Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Stories of Mama Naini. Today we're going to unbox this tiny box that I purchased from Shopee. The content of this box actually cost around 2,500. I'm a little excited because I've waited for the items for many days already, but I'm also a little worried baka na-scam ako and if the items inside are damaged. So I hope you guys would stay and keep on watching. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So nabanggit ko nga kanina that we will be unboxing this tiny box that I got from Shopee. Let me give you a clue kung anong nasa loob nito. This is for baby. This is to help soothe and hopefully heal the eczema of baby TJ kasi nga nagka-eczema siya. But before we open this box, let me share kung ano-ano yung mga nagamit ni baby and what led us to purchasing the items that are in the box. So I'll be arranging the products that we used on baby TJ based on kung ano yung pinakaunang nagamit until this morning. Ayan na guys. So these were the products that we used on baby TJ from newborn to this morning. So first product is Lactocid Baby Bath. We used this on baby TJ for 3 weeks. Actually, I told my husband to purchase yung small bottle lang muna to check on his skin kung hiyang ba siya or hindi. But ito yung binili niya. Yung Lactocid Baby Bath actually worked fine in the first few days. Pero baby TJ has a lot of hair. So, hindi siya naging helpful dun sa cradle cap ni baby. And he had little rashes sa skin niya. So, my brother actually told us we have to find another product. Sayang, it's 250 ml. For new moms, I would suggest that you purchase little bottles lang muna to check if hiyang ba ang skinny baby sa product. So, we switched to Burt's Bees Baby. This is a shampoo and wash. This actually came from Canada. I liked it because it smells good. As it says here, this is supposed to be for calming, pangpakalma. I really thought that this would help calm the rashes, pero no, it didn't happen. The rashes were still there, and we finally switched to Cetaphil Baby Wash and Shampoo. So, 2-in-1 na siya. Yes, it actually helped with baby's cradle cap. But there were still little rashes, but they were less compared nung time na ginamit niya si Lactocid at saka si Burt's Bees Baby. So, we used this. Naubos ko yung bottle na yon. And then, I also had this still from my mom from Canada. This I loved the most because natanggal yung rashes ni baby, as in parang nag-glow up yung skinny baby. So this was from 3 weeks, 1 week, and then this we used for about a month. So ito mga going 3 months na si baby. So wala na siyang cradle cap, but then his hair grew more. So we had to use this shampoo. This is from Sesame Street Baby Shampoo. Actually, best pair silang dalawa for me. Again, naubos ko yung bottle na yon. So I had to switch to Cetaphil Baby ulit because it's what we had on stock. But then again, bumalik yung little rashes, hindi gaano pero there were still rashes. I still had it paired with this shampoo. Okay naman siya when he was using this for shampoo, but then I found this best for TJ's hair, so I used this together with this baby wash. So this was around 4 to 5 months already, but my anxiety grew and I was still so worried na bakit may mga rashes pa rin si baby. I think we need to switch again. And then here comes Johnson's Cotton Touch. Again from Canada. Okay naman siya, mabango, malambot sa skin ni baby, but then ganun pa rin, may mga rashes pa rin si baby. So I asked my husband to find this in the market. He actually went to Mercury Drug and ang sabi doon, wala kaming ganyan, sir. Kasi nga, ito may nakasulat na French. Alam ko meron ito sa market. Siguro lang hesitant magbigay yung seller or yung cashier kasi maybe iba ang product from Philippines and from another country. So hindi niya ni-recommend. That's when I decided na I really have to buy that product which we are going to open later. Okay guys, let us open this tiny box. Let me give you a closer look of what it says here. Yup, Cetaphil product din siya. And for those mommies na may eczema ang baby, I bet you know what are inside this box. I am excited kasi from the reviews, every purchase comes with freebies. And freebies talaga siya, as in marami siyang freebies. So that's the reason why I really wanted to get it from that seller. You may wonder guys, bakit kailangan kong i-online si Cetaphil product? First, hindi pa rin po kami lumalabas masyado. We only go out for check-up and binyag ni baby, and pag nag-withdraw ng money, yun lang. Limited po ang labas namin kasi we have a baby at home. And then second is, yun nga, may freebies ang online na purchase nito. So, naki-join ako, naki-avail ako. And third, nakailang utos na po ako kay husband na hanapin ang products na ito sa market pero wala siyang nadadala pag uwi. Kaya yun, sabi ko, I'm gonna purchase it online. Let's open this. Okay. Look what I have, guys. Look what I have, guys. It's the Cetaphil Pro AD Derma Skin Restoring Moisturizer and the Cetaphil Pro AD Derma Skin Restoring Wash. So it's the wash and the moisturizer. So, shout out din kay Mommy Angelica Season. You may want to check out her review on these products. Mommy, you made me buy these products talaga. Good job. I'm really hoping that this would heal baby TJ's eczema. I got this product for almost 900 and then this product for almost 1,500 plus the shipping fee that makes around 2,000, almost 2,500 for both. Do you agree, Mommy? It will heal baby TJ's eczema? Sana nga, no? So, back to my expectation kung ano yung meron sa box. I have these products which are actually sealed. Pero, hindi ako masyadong approve sa pagka-seal. But it's okay. It's not damaged. It's malinis. And I got what I purchased. It's just that I expected more. I was expecting 4 freebies, which I didn't get. I have this instead. Guys, if you want to check out the store of the seller of these products, you may check them out in Shopee. I'm gonna place the link to their shop in the description box. I'm hoping hindi naman kayo masyadong excited for me. But thank you guys for staying. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, click on like. And please also hit on subscribe and the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching, guys.